All right, check. All right, how is everyone doing this fine evening? Let's see, finding buttons. Oh man, hope everybody's having a pretty good day or evening, whatever it might be for you. Let's see, trying to adjust my volume just a hair. Oh yeah, I hope everybody's having a pretty good evening. Mine hasn't been going too bad. I've been struggling with being a bit of a funk the last like week and a half. So I'm sitting here tonight, like trying to get ready to start, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm so tired, but not sleepy, if that makes sense. So I've been having a bit of a week, man. I tell you, it's been, I don't know, it's been crazy. All right, so what's going on tonight? Tonight, I'm just going to be working on just some general purpose, like cleaning up my stream. I really want to get that to-do list working, the hook into my stream so I can have like a working to-do list. That kind of stuff. Just going to try to keep things moving a little bit easy. I'm going to try to get those darn alerts working. I think I'm gonna have to just, I don't know, we'll have to just figure out what I can do. Think that cut off all my sound? No, it didn't. I've been playing around with my I turn up my little sound mixer here, there was an update to the software. Now there's a lot more capability than I had before, so I've been kind of tweaking it a little bit. And one of the things I've been working on is trying to like rearrange my desk a little bit. So I've been kind of tweaking with some of these to see what I can do with my sound effects and my noise, so I make it a little bit more controllable on my end. And one of the things I've been playing with is my control. Ooh, hello. Never noticed that the thing turns up here on the app as I turn it. Huh. Very nice. Okay. Anyway, so that's enough. That's enough dinking with my sound for right now. We're gonna turn down my master volume a little bit. Yeah, it is turning it down. Nice. I'm gonna end up messing with some of that too a little bit, I think, but it's stretching. Let's see. Where do I want to start? I want to start with really turning this down a lot more than it already is, because that's really loud in my ears. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to. I was smoking a pork butt all day. I've got it sitting in my cooler. It smells awesome down here. So no matter how tired I am or anything else, I smell that and man, oof, it smells delicious. Okay, so let's take a look at and see. I'm gonna try to dink around with my alerts because this is ridiculous that they're not working. Let's take a look. I was trying to do them through Botrix, and Botrix is a bit of a pain in the butt. Hang on, let me make sure I get signed in. Oh yeah, authorize. Now let's use, here, let's go here now. Let's see what we got. Alerts. What alerts do I have? I have them all enabled. And just have it doing some very simple stuff. Not running custom code. I'm not doing anything like that. Preview. Yeah, so it just doesn't even work because look, it's not doing anything. Follow. Active. All active. But none of them are. Oh, down here to below to test it. Dumb. So I got it here. See, now it works there, but it doesn't actually work when I use it in like when I actually get a follow. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn all of this off for now until I can. Oops, I didn't want to do that. There we go. Alerts. We'll just disable it on all of them. Actually, I'm gonna do one thing here. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, because it's weird that it shows up good. But if I try to like replay it, well, see, now that one does it too. I don't know then. I don't know. That's hokey at best, isn't it? Oh yeah, see, I got I got another follower here. Thanks, Balding Tiger. I didn't get a notification for that one. That's fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, that's hokey at best. Yeah, I don't know. Let me go over here for just a momento. Let's go back to the beginning. I guess it is beta, so, you know. Can't expect everything to work perfectly. How to do what I'm trying to do. What am I trying to do? Profile, there we go. I'm going to switch profiles. Yeah, try that, and then, oh wait, no. Oh, I don't think I have it linked to any of my others at the moment. Maybe that's part of the reason. What's my username? Okay. Finish. Oh, I need to paste this following command. Well, isn't that just ducky? Oh, well, this isn't even the right, well, whatever. Yeah, for some reason, it still doesn't do what I want it to do. Yeah. We'll just, that's not what I want. Here. Yeah. All right. Well, I guess into the interim here, I'm going to just do settings. I don't think I can do any of this stuff on there. So let's go alerts. I'm going to create an alert box. Edit the alert. There we go. We'll just keep it very basic. We'll change its name. Yeah. Sound. What? Let's play sound. But yeah, good enough for now. Like I said, simple. Copy that. So it's save changes. Name that one to follow. And let's see, now I'm gonna have edit this one. Just change it to this one. Can I go into alerts and have it test it? Hit that alert and there a test button? I thought there was. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, here we go. Preview alert. Oh, I can send test alert. That's what I want to do. There we go. Make that a heck of a lot smaller, maybe. No. Can I? Yep. All right. Good enough. All right. So we've killed that problem, hopefully. And let's see, what else do we got we can work on here? Was all that? That looks good. All right. Now we're gonna dink around a little bit with the bouncy microphone. Sorry. Let's see. A while back, a couple, was it 2 weeks ago? I was working on setting up a little to-do list overlay. I want to go back to that and see if I can figure out what I can do with that. Let's open Resant. Because let's see here. Let's not make that full screen. I don't use the whole window up. And I was trying to work on a way to get this to work where I could send it. I feel like I needed to send it my own, more than one item. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to kind of beef this up a little bit. And it didn't, if I remember right. Let's go. This thing. File reference, review in File Explorer. This. X. Oh. Right, so now I have this thing. Got some authentication that I don't want to show on stream. I probably was, so you know, that's great. Here. And so now, yeah, switch tasks. I think in general, I like the idea, but I also don't. Well, we'll just figure it out. Let's just work through the issue here. I feel like it's something to do with my screens when I'm coding. It's got to be when I'm coding on my home computer, because I'm at work, it doesn't seem to be a problem. So that clears the tasks. X. Comfy.js. Place user. Excuse me. So it includes authentication. Yeah. Task template. It does. It fires up index.js. Probably at the bottom is where comfy.js gets loaded, right? Yeah. So get the commands. Check to see if they're valid. Let's see. forgot my microphone is all messed up here. Yeah, let's see. Let me mute it for just a moment. Go. Oh, now maybe I can actually see what I'm doing and not have the microphone pointing at my chest. Let's see. I don't want that. Local storage, I think is what it does, right? And I think I still have it hooked up to chat, right? So let's get. Ooh, it replied twice. Storage. So it replied to my message twice. Interesting. All right, first I gotta find the data. So I have Twitch tasks, then I have regular tasks. Oh, I wonder if that's why I did it. I think what I'm gonna do, instead of trying to piecemeal in everything that I need, I mean, there's a lot here, and I think what I'm gonna do, where's respond come from? The task list. Set it up. Okay. Yeah. Local storage, Twitch tasks. So I created that. Uh-huh. Render task, because I want to have all this code on how the task works to just stay there. I don't want to have to rewrite any of this. So I think what I'm going to do is Twitch tasks is there. All right, so index.js. So I say clear done. Definition. I get all the tasks, I delete them. That's in task lists. But what was the one? What's the very first one here? Reset. Yeah, reset DB. Let's find on load, it resets the database. Well, except that isn't doing. Okay, so let's find clear all tasks. Only one place there. There's a place here. Commands.admin all commands. Clear all commands. That's in configs. Nope, right here. Clear all commands. Clear all, that's the command. All items have been cleared, database is empty. All right, that's what I want to see. Okay. Need to get it to not respond to me twice. think the easiest way to do that is going to be get the command. I'm gonna take all this. I'm gonna just comment it all out, all the way down. So now if I try to do that and I say task add, doesn't do anything as expected. Okay, so if you're not a mod, if you are a mod, you can add as many items as you want. That's my own code, right? So first thing I want to always check is if is mod flags. I do this way. You are a mod or a broadcaster, so you can do things. Okay, so what are the commands that I'm interested? I want to create 4 commands. I want to add a task. I want to complete a task. I want to delete a task. And I want to delete all tasks. Those are the 4 things I want to do first. So message. If command is clear. Okay, so I have all these different commands, and I'll use these. So we'll start with add task commands. We'll look at that. If message is not 0. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna say if commands dot add task commands includes command. Here I'll say add task. And I will add a task. Yeah, let's respond. Responds dot task added user message. All right, so we do that. I hit refresh. I pop up the task add. It says the task has been added. Only once. All right. Put on my task lists. So a Twitch task will have, what does it have? Doesn't have anything yet. Setup DB. What's that? Maybe having a kid. I got a kid that should be in bed or going to bed soon. She was in the shower. Okay. Set interval. Don't care about that one. RGB. Don't particularly care about that. Don't particularly care about that either. Or any of the animation code, because that all just works. I don't need any of that. A lot of code in this one. Animate. Next task. I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for any of these things yet. Oh, I will need to edit tasks, maybe? I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, so the tasks are equal to get tasks. I let the ID equal to get ID. I think this is where the logic is going to get different. Because for me, I don't want anybody to put it. I want it to just be my stuff. So let's think about this a little bit. If what am I going to put in the task? I'm just going to have an ID and task list. So let's say get all the tasks. Let's find get tasks. Let's go to that definition first. Go to definition. Okay, so I said just return Twitch tasks. Save tasks. So tasks. Okay, here, I want to put it up here. So Twitch with Twitch task. I have an ID. Done. And task. Okay, so Twitch tasks, that's there. So get ID is simply let the ID equal to 0. JSON.parse local storage. So with local storage, can I do local storage and, oh man, I got a lot of open thingies. Browser, local storage, examples. What is local storage? Yep. Yep. Right. I want to, set it, get. Yeah. Okay, yeah, there's nothing crazy to it. I can't do anything really fancy. So what I'll do, I'll just set the ID to 0, and then I'll just say, so I let tasks. I want to get all the tasks. Count number of records and add one next time. So we're going to say let tasks equal to JSON.parse local storage dot Twitch tasks. And then I just want to do, yeah, that's the syntax I'm looking for. That's the magic bean sauce right there. For task in tasks. So what if I just say ID is equal to task dot ID? Is that what I want to call it? Task dot ID. Yeah. For each one of those. And then when it's all said and done, I'm just going to say ID is equal to ID plus 1. Turn. What? Nope, don't do that. So get ID will be 0. It'll loop through them all. It'll add it because I'm not going to delete them unless I run a command, which we'll get to. So task get ID. Why would it need to do that one? Fast tasks, add task. So tasks is equal to get task, ID is equal to get ID. Get ID. So when I add a task, yeah, so I don't need this anymore. Yeah, I don't need that. Get ID no longer needs the username. Here, get ID doesn't need it. Here, I'm just going to get E. Task is equal to task, done is equal to false. That's it, right? Save task. Let's go to that definition. Okay, well, that one's easy enough. This needs to be changed to tasks. Don't need username. -1. Username's ID. Storage dot item. Set item. I don't think I need any of this code at the moment. Get tasks. Count and see. Do some things. Mm-hmm. I'm not going to do any of that. It's a DOM. Save task, get tasks, set up DB, convert, do some other things. I feel like I'm missing a whole bunch of functions somewhere. Like you're done. Yeah, no, that's right. Delete task. Move at and the username if it exists. I want this to be ID. Get all the tasks, get the tasks, if tasks, ID. Equal to ID. And I delete that. Care about that. That. This. I save all the tasks. And yeah, that's right. E. This just returns the task. I need any of this either. We want that. Excuse me, I'm not gonna edit anything. Move task. Get tasks. Let user tasks equal tasks. ID. I want to do this stuff here. Let remove task equal user tasks. Tasks, delete task. Done task. ID. Set to done. Care about incrementing the ID. Save the tasks. Do the thing. There we go. Add a task. I'm not using username anymore or color. Just the task. Get ID. Task.id. Saves. All right. Now index.js. And just a function called add task. Yep, just add task. Then the task is just the message. So now let's refresh the page. It broke something. See that? I broke something. Parts. R has already been declared in task list 504. Invalid. That's right. Add that task again. Added it. Test. Now let's add test 2. Test 2 came in with a bad number, not a number. Okay, so when I clicked add task, all right, so get ID. What did get ID do? Okay, let's look at that. So ID is null. So it came back with a bad. Oh, that refresh. So it came back with a bad number, essentially. So that would be oh, where the F? Add task. Oh, get ID. That's what I want. Okay, so the ID is equal to 0. The first one always works. And I get all the tasks. Let task and tasks equal get its ID. And then I make its ID plus 1. Well, let me implement else if and clear what are the clear commands? Admin commands. And what do I need to run here? Tasks. Adepta didn't do it, did it? All tasks have been cleared. Didn't. Reset DB. Set up DB. Fonts, templates, user message. I wonder if clear all's in my streamer bot, maybe? Commands. It told me specifically that all tasks have been cleared, but I don't. Response templates. Put an exclamation point there and see what. Run it again. Yeah, so it's not hooked into. Right. Instance of the application, I guess. I got 2 errors now. How do I do a reset? One. Calling clear all tab. What I called. Say console.log test. Not read property of undefined. Reading includes. Something there is broken and I don't know what it is. Yes.say. Okay, so that's what respond is doing. Oops, where's my pencil? You try doing add task, new test. So the task new test has been added, and it added it right there. I'm going to try to go to application. On. Refresh. Can I delete it? Let's just reload the page. There we go. Okay, so still pukes when I do that. Delete it. And we'll refresh. And now let's go look at this code again. Can I console log? I think I was trying that earlier. Console log. Okay. So 162 wrote console.log tasks. All right, well, let's do it again. All right, so let me console log ID. Let's refresh this. Nope, I clicked on my own name. It's 3. Undefined. It's 1, 1, and then undefined. Let's just print task. This is probably where my bug is here. Again, man. So I print. Oh. Because it's, oh, okay. So task is just the number. So ID is equal to, well, no, wait. Let's put that there. And then let's just get rid of the ID. Update it. I got nan1. All right, delete it all. Refresh. Okay. This time I had nothing there, so it was empty. And here I'm gonna say if ID is equal to 0, or if it does not equal 0, do However, it feels like it's gonna work. Let's just add in a 1 to it. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How do I parse an int in JavaScript? Just parse int. Just parse int. Okay. Parse int. All right, let's delete, refresh, test, test 2. Okay. Item. I'm gonna say item or is that how that worked? JavaScript programming is extremely rusty, so test. No, that's not it. Check this one out. Let's go pull up original code. Oh, it's $sign with curly brackets around. Whoa, curly brackets around it. Refresh and test 2. And it's still just incrementing it by 1. Boo. It's not increment, it still comes in as 0. So if I does not equal 0. Actually, you know what? Let's not have this. Change my mind on this code. Okay, so now it's there. Looks like it's working right. All right, all right. Let's see. Well, let's do clear all. Clear all tasks. Did I get it? Oops. Ooh. Console log. I don't need this anymore. Need that anymore. Cannot read properties of undefined. So now let's go to clear all tasks. Index.js line 25. So let's look at the command admin. Commands. Right. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm using. I'm calling clear all. So if it's in here, then I call clear all tasks. Just gonna say not even returning the right message because I did add an exclamation point, but it's got to be because of these errors. I don't know. Okay, so a.anonymous. Jumpy. Oh, log got a clear. Yeah, it's not even getting that far. It's not even hitting here. If command. Oh, God, I'm dumb. Typo. Always a typo. All of the user's tasks have been deleted. All tasks have been cleared. And got a clear command and test. Okay. Gonna be clear all. We're gonna say all right, I think I got something that might be working now. So task add S2. Okay, clear all. All tasks have been cleared. Nice. All right, and so else if ends dot finish task commands dot include command. Then I'm going to finish. That one is. Done task. Done task ID. Done task. Message. Respond. Response templates dot done task. User message. And now done task. Finish task equal that. We'll try it. We'll say, all right, refresh. Task add 1. Task add 2. What are the done? Is it just task done? Done. task done. Task done 1. Reading replace index line 6. Look at response templates done task. That's not a response template. All right. Response template. What? Where on earth are those responses? Okay, it's task finished. Okay. Itchy. I got an itchy on my persons. I got an itchy tummy. Okay, now the next one I need to implement is clear done. Something with done. Clear done. Then else if commands up. Clear. Clear all done commands. User message. Or no, wait, no. No. That includes clear done. User message. Message. Right, so now I'm gonna say clear done. Why did it come in twice? Oh, because I have clear done commands and clear all commands. All finished tasks have been cleared. Clear done. Huh. Task. New item. Task done. Now clear done. Why does it come in twice? Cleared done user response templates. All finished tasks have been. They're all the same. Yet they are still there. I don't understand what I'm missing. What am I missing? Commands.admin clear done. It's command. I'm here. I respond. Response templates clear done. And message. Well, so let me just take that one off. Refresh it. And task done. Clear. Yeah, that seems to be all right. Okay, that's good enough. So what goes here? I just want this to say do. Look at the config. Let's see. Toggle true or reset tasks. Pixels per second. Gap between scrolls. Task list. Header padding. ID title. Is that somewhere in index? Oh, here we go. We'll just say to do items. Do. And that's the index.html. That says ask help. I'm gonna say just to do. Now it doesn't matter. It'll just update on itself and we should be good. Heck yeah. All right. I think I got it. So let's minimize that. Add item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's the height set on this guy? Oh, control home. Oops. Let's add item 12. There, now it moves. Slow that config down a little bit. Pixels per second. Let's go. Oh, I don't know, 50. Pretty. I like that one. All right, well, let's add it to my let's add it to my overlay, shall we? So we will have I actually have to-do list here. Just the current task. Oh. And let's make sure that it's browse to this. Oh. Oh crap, I just moved my whole screen. There we go. So it's technically there. Doesn't have anything in. Oh, because every time it loads, I got it. Every time it loads, you add a new item. Item 12, right there. Now, the thing I don't know if I like. Oh, crap. Again. $100, 100,000, 100. Do I want to have a background on it? That's what I don't know. I guess I can kind of play around with that a little bit. Let's see, RGB alpha. Right, what's the alpha? That's the transparency, right? Fully transparent, and 1 is not transparent at all. What if I make it 0.7? That a little bit easier to see. Let me change it a little bit more. Let's change it to 1.85. Yeah, I can live with that, I think. That's my to-do. I'm gonna change it from to-do items to to-do list. because I like that better. And then to-do list. There it is. I like it. I like it a lot. Don't know if I need it to be quite that. I keep it like that big. I need to make this font though bigger. Let's see. Is that up here somewhere? I believe that it is. I can change the header font size. Tasks, here we go. Task font must have pixel at the end. Let's just double it to 50 pixels and see what it looks like. Oh, well now that checkbox looks dumb, doesn't it? Well, maybe I'll leave it like that for now and we'll see what it looks like. Well, let's come here and let's task done. You're done. There it is. Nicely done. All right, so let's do some cleanup now. What code is here that I don't use? That I do this. Do that. I'll keep that one around. Cancel animation. That's all good. That's good. That's actually doing the animation. Sleep. That's doing some promise stuff. I'll hold on to that. Clear done. And delete task. Actually don't have that one. I think I can just safely comment that one out. After each one of these, just refresh it and make sure that it works. Yep. Any of this. Oh, I should implement the edit functionality in case I have a typo. Okay, else if commands dot edit task commands dot include command. Then I will say edit task. Oh, this one's actually just going to be ID. Ooh. My edit task. Let's have the task. Maybe I won't. I'm not gonna mess with that one right now because I'm gonna have to parse it a little bit, and I don't particularly want to do that. It's just I don't want it. I'm just gonna leave it here as unfinished. We'll just mark them done. Remove task. I might actually use that one. Done task. Definitely use that one. Add task. Use that one. Don't use this one. task list. Count. Increment ID. We're just all of those out. Use get ID. Save and get. Clear all tasks. Reset DB. Up DB. Sweet. All right. All done. Let's refresh this. Nothing appears to be broken. Start out new do list. Delete items list. Task done. Task done. Do. And now clear done isn't sending me the message. Look at that. Go. All right. Now my to-do list is out there. It's done. That's fan-freaking-tastic. What to do? Nope. Right. Let's see. That is functional and somewhat usable. I think I like it. Minimize that back down. Uncheck that. Do 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 do. Oh boy, sleepyhead. Okay. Dripped water everywhere. Let's see. What time is it? How long has my meat been resting? Gonna have to go shred some pork soon. Yep, that's done. That's done. What else do I need to add? I think I got the alerts fixed. Well, have the alerts implemented, at least on Twitch. What else? Do need to do some wholesale cleanup on my brain. My brain needs some wholesale cleanup on my scenes, but I'm not going to do that while I'm streaming because that could go south very, very quickly. Think. So this all works like I want it to. I don't need that anymore. So let's think about some of my other stuff. Oh, I think I need to play around with my streamer bot and see what it's going to take to get some more functionality out of that. That guy's at. Because I set up the quick, what is it? The quick show. Quick, because I'm using streamer bot. And I've got fast track. Vlad's fast track. I can disable that because I don't need that one. So let's play around with some of these. Commands doesn't do anything. Cool. No, because it doesn't. Commands. Sends a message. Okay. I'm not sure why this one doesn't do anything. Excuse me. So let's go death. Let's enable these guys and we'll play with these. Gosh, sometimes I think these are just too hard to read. So group is death counter. And it does some stuff in Twitch message. Okay, so I have the counter. Okay, so those should be active now. So let's try it. Death. Total death count for all games. Let's see, that's actions, so death counter. It says add target info, execute code, death counter. So if I said death counter, yeah, that doesn't work. So oh, because I said death. Let's, but like I was playing Poppy Playtime. That's what I was trying to do last time. Playtime. Actions. Alright. Oh, I see. Okay. I got you. I got you. All right. So I got that set up. So I got those commands enabled. I've got uptime. I've got test. Commands doesn't seem to do anything. There, we can enable that one, and we can enable that one. Chat pause 2 to scroll. No way. No way. Mm-hmm. What does mod commands have in it? Okay, so we can enable that one. That one. Yep, I'll enable that one too. Oh, and enable a bunch of these. Now that they're enabled, I can do a coin flip. That one still isn't working right. Maybe I don't have it enabled. I don't have it configured right. Do 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 do. All right, well, that looks pretty sexy. All right, so I think one of the last things I want to do. Let's see, position blend. Black left color is green. Something simple like that. Mhm. Not doing a music program. Okay. Awesome. Well, I got pretty much all the stuff I was hoping I could get done today done. Because now I've got actually got things a little bit more usable, and kind of got my head wrapped around how StreamerBot works. So that's pretty useful for me. Now, I think that's where I'm gonna call it quits for the evening. It's been well, it hasn't been too terrible of an evening. I tweaked a lot of JavaScript code, and it didn't completely fall on its face. So that's good. That's kind of helpful. Hopefully, I can get out of this funk that I've been in and be a little bit more motivated here in the next couple of days to work on something a little bit more productive. We'll see. I don't know. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting. I got kids home with me all day, so if I stream, I'll probably stream a game of some kind, because I'm sure they're gonna want to, I don't know, watch or interact or something, because you know what kids want to do. But you know, it is what it is. It'll be fun. I'll enjoy it. They'll enjoy it too. So yeah, I will be done for tonight, and I will be back on tomorrow. And until then, everybody, take it easy, and I will see you later.